are here in the city. We came here to buy our food for Mother's Day. We are here at we are here we are here at Pub's open. Pub's open. You can see what we are going to order. We should be coming here to eat, but my grandson is not feeling well, so we have to buy and bring it home. We have to buy and bring it home. It's a takeout order today. We cannot stay here. This is one of the favorite pizza where we buy pizza. We come here to eat sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. Cash.
Oh yeah, this is the place where we came to eat last time. That we need to order and bring it home. Because my grandson are not with us. Many are ordering food. Many are ordering food. We are also in line for Mother's Day. We have to bring it home because my other grandson is not feeling well, so he just had his bird surgery. So we have to wait and bring it home to eat. We should be eating here today.
Isang order po. Ice coffee.
Here are some souvenir items that they are selling today for Mother's Day. That we are bringing it home. This is their items that they are selling it today.
Solo for
Come, let's go inside. Okay.
Ma'am, quality po.
Let's go. Let's wait here inside. We should be here. We should be eating here right now, but my grandsons are not. One of my grandsons is not feeling well, so we'll just wait for our order. There is my grandson.
30 minutes pa rin.
Let's wait. Let's wait for about 30 minutes.
Oh.
Pero mabilis naman yung price.
Yan.
Mamaya na. Hindi, maaga pa na.
Yung price. Pinauna mo na sana.
Oo. Hindi ko kanila.
But we are going to another restaurant to buy the biryani.
Charger? Parang nagsaksakan.
Ganyan siya.
We're waiting for our order.
Hindi mo po kayo ng
We should be eating here. We should be eating here, but my grandson is not feeling well, so we will bring it home. And just take my video here. Waiting for the food. They are busy. People are coming now, so this restaurant will be full in few minutes. It's not yet full because it's only 10:30.
Pagdating na lang.
It's not yet full, the restaurant.
Jojo.
There is the counter.
Sir Jojo.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.